Hey, welcome back everyone. In today's video, this is going to be a product review. So let's get this opened up and I'll show you what I got. So what I got I'm going to be doing a review on is this Jegs parts washer. It's a 20 gallon. I've got another parts washer in the shop, but I'm needing to get another one just because I want to run a different detergent in this one other than mineral spirits. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now, I bought this parts washer right through Amazon, so apparently they've bought some of Jegs stuff that they're selling. If you like this parts washer, we get it together and up and working. I'll put a link up in my description if you'd like to check it out. Let's see what she looks like here. We'll see what color this turns out to be. Now, I know a lot of these parts washers, you buy them online, they don't always come in the color that you see in the picture. What do we got? Yup. And this one did not, because the picture that I saw in the link for this, the parts washer was yellow. And this one is black. That's okay. Be honest with you, I was kind of hoping it was going to be yellow. I've always had red parts washers. I kind of wanted a yellow one, but oh well, it is what it is. Get this thing lifted out of here. Oh, wow. What do we got down here? Oh, okay. Got your wash tray. And your bottom shelf. Well, I guess one thing about this being black is you guys out there that got red parts washers or different colors, the color ones definitely do show the grease and dirt on it, don't they? But no, that's a positive. This black one won't. Okay. This is exactly the way it looks when I open it up. We'll start assembling this. That's your pump. These are got to be the legs. Open this up and see if that's the case. You know something, in all honesty? I guess it really don't matter what color these are, because I'm willing to bet one thing. All these parts washers are made by the same company somewhere in China. They're just putting different names on them. That would be my educated guess. Boy, I tell you what, y'all, they really package this stuff in here, don't they? Wow. Which is good. You know, they don't want to get damaged or scratched up. But when you're wanting to get this thing together like I do, it's like, man, that's a lot of work. It even comes with the operating instructions and parts manual, which might come in handy for ever need to replace the pump in this. Now, to put this together, we need to put this thing upside down. So I need to find something to lay this on. Well, wait, yeah, I can do this. I don't want my nice new top getting all scratched up, you know what I'm saying? There we go. Just like so. One thing is, the instructions are really clear on how to put this together. So now we need to attach the legs just like it shows. I better get this opened up right now because we're going to need screws. Hey, they really packaged this guy up, didn't they? Holy shnikes. Good Lord. All right, come on now, Fonzie. Okay, here's our parts tray. Set that off to the side, and here's the pump. Okay, here's our screws. Lay that out like that. Laying these legs down, feet side down. Try this here. Lay this down like so. This is really pretty straightforward to put together, so that's a good thing. 4 bolts that secure each leg. Alright, go on to this side. This is going to take a minute putting all these gosh darn legs on. Then we're not done yet. We still got to put the metal shelf on. Alright, that's all on. Now I'll go through and quick tighten these up. Nuts and bolts. I'm going to start with the bottom first. See, one thing nice about this whole operation, I got that parts manual book, is my other parts washer I got is probably made by the same company, and the pump is getting pretty bad in it, so I'm thinking I can just order another pump that's the same as this, because it's identical to that one I got, and that one will be good to go too. Alright, the legs and bottom shelf is all on it, so now it's time to flip this thing over. Stand on its legs. Alright. This one might be a tick taller than my other one, I don't know. Well, we can take and put our shelf down in here. Just like that. It even comes with a filter and everything in it. Except that pickup screen right there I see is off of it. Needs to go back on. There we go, that snaps on just like that. Alright. Now, goes in like that. Bring your cord through here. And this comes in and picks up and slides in. Like that. Alright, there's our wand. It all goes together. It's all self-explanatory how it goes, so here's a sharp looking parts washer. They've got their own cleaner and degreaser. I'll take and put a link in my description for this stuff if you want to check that out. Okay, so I got the washer tank placed where it's going to go. As you can see, it's going right next to my other washer tank, and yes, that one is a Black Bull. This is the one I run mineral spirits in. Now, the main idea why I wanted to go with 2 as well is because, you know, this is Jegs stuff. It is a detergent type cleaner, so you mix it. It says right on here for parts washers, you mix it 1 part solvent, 1 part water. So I'm going to go ahead and start filling this up and doing the correct mixture on it. These usually hold about 7 gallons. I'm willing to bet when it comes time to changing the solvent, it'll be maybe less messier than the mineral spirits is, but only time will tell. So we'll go ahead and start pouring this in like so. I got 6 gallons of this stuff, so these are 2 gallons. So we're probably going to use 2 of these and 2 things of water. Boy, this stuff is definitely sudsy, and I haven't even added water to it, I'll say that. It's got a distinct smell to it. All right, now I'm adding 2 gallons of water here. Well, that's 4 gallons in there. I'm going to take and add about 1 gallon of solvent. I guess I shouldn't call it solvent because it's detergent. It'd be nice if they made this, if it had a chart so you knew right where you were on it to mix it. And 1 gallon of water. She's filled up. I'll bring you guys over here and we'll turn this thing on and see how she looks. Well, here goes. Oh yeah. Well, that pump has definitely got some kick to it. Well, of course I'm used to the one being about shot in this one, so. But yeah, look how sudsy that stuff is. That has definitely got some pressure to it. Not bad. Well, there it is. It's all put together and solvent in it, and it works pretty good. It's got loads of pressure. I'll be first to say I'm not affiliated with Jegs in any way, mean, shape, or form. This is something I clearly bought off Amazon. I'm the type of person, if something is a good product, I'm going to say it is. But then if something sucks, I'm going to say it sucks. But overall, I believe this is a good buy for the money. When I purchased this, I got it with 3 of these that came in with a package. I wish it would have came with that brush with it, but oh well, that I didn't see that in the fine print, so that's on me. But I'm going to get some new brushes for this along with one of those. I'm curious to see how this solvent will actually work and clean as opposed to a mineral spirit solvent. And something else I'm curious on too, if this is going to have better pump life, not running a mineral spirit through it or even a kerosene like some people run on these tanks. But that's going to be another true test on this, how well this stuff works. I wish this thing would have been yellow when I got it, but the black is starting to grow on me because the more I think about it, that yellow is definitely going to show any little grease mark or thumbprint on it where this will hide it a little bit. So that's a good thing with being the black. So overall, I think this is a good purchase for the money. Thank you for stopping by and checking this out. I hope you enjoyed the video. So I don't know, what do you think about this product? Do you think this is a pretty good deal? You get this whole parts washer tank with the 2 gallons of solvent. I don't think it's bad. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And thanks again so much for stopping by, and we'll see you in our next video. Take care, everyone.